Hey, what you saying? G-Man here, doing something that I wanted to do for a really long time. Nothing sinister. It's simple. It's an unboxing video. Never done one. I watch them all the time. I see when people get, new stuff arrive and they kind of, that excited bit of piece to camera where they open the box and get that immediate reaction as to what they've received, ordered, be it purchased, be it sponsored. And yeah, today's the day for me to give it a go. I'm into my music. Over my shoulder, you can see this little speaker in the background. And I've been gradually upgrading my home audio, my home theatre, which I'll go into at another point. But yeah, one of the pieces of the puzzles is that said speaker, that one right there. It served me well. It served me for, crikey, I'd say the best part of 9-10 years actually. Nothing's wrong with them. They're absolutely fine. I was running a Tannoy full setup, 5.1 Tannoy subs and all that stuff. Gradually changed some components here and there. I've still got a Tannoy center speaker for my home AV, but it was time for these rear Tannoys to be upgraded. So I sent some money to a company called AV Outlet, and a few days later I got a lovely box up here, and the box has printed on the side of it Wharfedale Diamond Series 9.1. So they're going to upgrade these bad boys. Anyway, enough chat. Let's open the box. Hell yeah. So this is the box. And as I said, it has Wharfedale Diamond 9.1 on the side. So if you know your equipment, you know Wharfedale means speakers, or AV or sound equipment. And these are a pair of speakers which are brand new to me, but the design isn't brand new, but they're award winning. They do really, really well. And yeah, I'm keen to see what they look like. So yeah, without further ado, let's start opening this box. You'll have to forgive me, I'm one-handed. Don't want to cut my receipt up, so let's get that out there. As I say, these speakers are from a company called AV Outlet. Okay. Paperwork just confirming what's in the box. Oh wow, okay. Well, at least there's two, that's a good start. A little bit worried about picking them up one-handed. So let's see if the bag's strong enough. Taking a risk here, but hey, let's just test it out. Yeah, it's strong enough. Very well packaged, well supported. So there we go. One of the new Wharfedales. That's like Christmas. Shouldn't really be ripping this, but I want to see what these bad boys look like. And there we have it. Brand new Wharfedale 9.1 speaker with the grills on. Let's just pop the grill off. So they come off quite easily. There we go. They come with 4 little pins, much like any other speaker grill. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a good looking piece of kit. Oh, let's not break that. Okay, let's have a look at this. I'm not gonna lie, that's a good looking bit of kit. Front firing ports, soft dome tweeters. Looks like Kevlar speaker, I'm pretty sure they are. Yeah, a lot bigger than the tannoys they're replacing. And on the back, they've got a really nice curved design to them as well. Bi-wireable speakers connections, and there's the spec. 6 ohms, 100 watts, and I'll be testing that out. And the really good thing about these Wharfedales, so I'll put this bad boy down, is that they'll be joining those Wharfedales. And they're a lot bigger. Yeah, this is my setup that I'm building. So yeah, we'll go into more detail about those speakers another time, but I'm new to this. You can see there's some nice kit over there. That's a tannoy speaker I mentioned, that's in the middle, still doing its work. Audio-Technica headphones with a valve preamp, and a little rack of equipment over there. But yeah, another time for that one. Oh, got hiccups. Okay, my first unboxing video, and I'm really pleased. Right, yeah, time to start taking out the old and fitting the new. So there's the tannoy, which has been replaced by the Wharfedale. Just to give you an idea of size comparison. Ridiculous. Look at that. I have a feeling they're going to sound slightly better. Just slightly.